How to hide Facebook Marketplace listing from friends. So what we'll simply do is open our Facebook here, and after opening we can simply go on our menu, which is on bottom right corner, and after clicking on it we'll simply see an option of marketplace right there. If not, we can click on see more and we'll be able to see the marketplace option. Then we can click on it, and then after clicking on it, we will simply click on our shell option which is right there. And after clicking on it, we will reach in our next page, and there we'll get to see an option of a lot of option: inbox, your listing, announcement. So we'll simply click on create a listing here. After clicking on that, we will simply click and listing if we haven't, or we can click on a new listing. Then here we can simply add any product that we want to add, and add every details of the product. And after that, we can simply scroll a bit down, and here we can see an option of hide from friends. Then we can simply turn on that option to hide from the friends our Facebook marketplace option, I mean our listing option. So we can simply turn this option on, and after turning this option on, we can simply click on publish, and that is how we can add it into a new listing. But for the old listing, what we can simply do is we can go back, and after going back, we will see an option of, like, if we have all our listing ourselves, we can click on our you option, I mean our own profile, and there we can simply click on our listing. And if you have your listing, you can click on the three dot on the upper right corner, and you'll get an option of hide it from your friends. So that is how you can do it. I don't have any listing, so you can do it if you have, by clicking on the three dots, and you'll get the option yourself. Yeah, that is how to hide Facebook Marketplace listing from your friends.